welcome. Today in front of me NOKIA T20 and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and launch the Google application. Now just here on the right upper corner, tap on this icon and go into the settings. I just tap on the voice section and click to the voice match section. Here you'll see the Hey Google switcher. Just to turn off the Hey Google of Google Assistant, tap once on the switcher and here click to OK. And that's it. As can you see, that's really simple. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.